Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious kiwi milkshake. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 ripe kiwis, peeled and sliced, 1 cup of cold milk, and 2 generous scoops of your favorite vanilla ice cream. For a touch of sweetness, have 1 tablespoon of sugar or honey ready. This combination creates a perfectly balanced and refreshing treat. Now, let's get those kiwis ready. After peeling them, slice the fruit into smaller pieces. This helps them blend smoothly and ensures a consistent texture in your milkshake. Pop these kiwi pieces directly into your blender. Making sure all your ingredients are cold is key to achieving that perfect, frosty milkshake consistency. It's time to bring everything together. Pour your 1 cup of cold milk into the blender with the kiwi. Then, add your 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream. Secure the lid and blend on high until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy. Once it reaches your desired consistency, pour your vibrant green milkshake into a tall glass and enjoy this refreshing drink right away. To customize your milkshake, feel free to adjust the sweetness to your liking with a little more sugar or honey. For an even frostier treat, toss in a few ice cubes before blending. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Finally, for a beautiful presentation, garnish your delicious kiwi milkshake with a fresh kiwi slice or a sprig of mint. It's the perfect finishing touch.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.